You are here to get better. You're not here to be perfect. Let that sink in. Say that again. Are you constantly working on your ball handling skills but still feel very uncoordinated and not confident? Well, if that's you, I'm gonna help you build a better, tighter, and more confident, more coordinated ball handling skill set. Push yourself, push yourself. If you're not messing up on these drills, you're not trying hard enough. Hi, my name is Paul Zewong. Currently play basketball overseas at the university level, and I started playing when I was 17. The main thing is we're gonna be working on ball handling skills that are more really game specific, so we are in a better position to have better control of the ball when it comes to passing, shooting, or just getting the ball up the floor with pressure. Usually with this skill, we gotta work on some ball handling skills where we're constantly moving, getting our blood flowing, and not just stationary and very stagnant, stiff movement dribbling drills. I'm at the court right now because I'm gonna get shots up later, but you really don't need that much room. All you need is a ball and maybe around like 5 by 5 feet. 5, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, on the other side, really important when we're dribbling, going from low to high, high to low, our ball always stays under our hands. In other words, we're not carrying the ball, but every single dribble movement is controlled with our fingertips. Key thing, you want to keep doing a lot of dribbling drills that force you to get comfortable being in uncomfortable movements. When the game comes, you're no stranger to it. So we're here, bring it across, hold it, tight second dribble, exaggerate the cross. Notice I'm changing pace, but we're not carrying the ball. Other side, so here. That's the thing too, guys. I expect you guys to mess up. Push yourself, push yourself, push yourself. If you're not messing up on these drills, you're not trying hard enough. You are here to get better. You're not here to be perfect. Let that sink in. Say that again. You're here to get better. You're not here to be perfect. Between, cross. Between, cross. It's gonna feel awkward, especially, at least for me, going backwards. This is literally the main, I've never done the drill going backwards, always been forward, but I wanted to challenge myself today. Now we're gonna be doing the glide dribbles or hesitation stops. Go off of 1 dribble, hesitation stop, 2 dribble move, hesitation stop, then a 3 dribble, hesitation stop, and you keep doing it all over again and again and again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 dribble, snatch, back. Snatch, back. Here we go, go again. Main idea is to do a quick pause, stand up, and then explode out just how we were going. So we're here, up, bam, up, bam. Really sell the change of direction with your eyes too. So we're here, Like I said, if you're not messing up, you're not trying hard enough. Strive to be better, not perfect. Next one, we're gonna be focusing going straight forward, controlled speed, but quick. Dribble or 2 dribbles behind the back, repeatedly. Next, we're gonna be moving laterally, going behind the backs. Find a straight line and follow that line as you move. So we're here. Look up, eyes always up. Once you get to your spot to go back, consistently go back and don't change your pace. in this drill. We're constantly going here, almost like you're doing a defensive slide. And as you look, when you end up, you should be going on that straight line. So this should be around 10 minutes, I think. And after you do all of these reps, you should be warmed up, blood is flowing. Not your most traditional dribbling routine for ball handling, but it's the one that helps me get right and be better each day. Not necessarily perfect, but you're improving each day, if you will. And now I'm just gonna get on the court, start dribbling even a little bit more, transitioning to my shots, and working on all my basketball stuff that I love doing and that I hope to do in a game. All right, much love, y'all.